Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to change order of your products in Wix. So for example, let's say I want to rearrange my top picks, right, or something like that, or maybe some other page. I only have this one with products. Also, as you can see, I have this bestseller. So we actually don't do this from the editor. We need to go back to our dashboard first. We have all of your settings, and guys, in order to change the order, you just navigate to the catalog in here, press, and then go to categories. All right, let it load up, and in here you can create a collection, or in my case, I will just go to all products. And as you can see, guys, now this is the place where we can actually drag them in any direction that we want and rearrange them. So for example, if I want maybe some top sellers or maybe some more expensive products to be appearing on the top of the page, right, you can just basically click like this and drag it onto here, for example, right, like this. Also this into here, glasses into number 4, etc. Right, so you can just freely navigate this product category, right? You can also add collections if you want to make it more comfortable for you, and you can rearrange them with your mouse easily like this. Very easy, guys. So once again, catalog from the dashboard, categories, choose your product, and then go and rearrange them right over here. Enjoy, guys. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.